guys and welcome back to my channel. This video is probably coming after a very long time. Like I took a break again, but it was a fantastic break. So this is how this packaging looks like. This is very convenient. They have given in tube form, so the 3-time use is very easy with this. But the first thing that they asked you to do is to D10. So it's been a very long time, I guess in Jan when I had a function at home, तभी मैंने bleach करवाया था. D10 तो मुझे पता नहीं. So they give you this first step, which is the D10. Now this is the D10 therapy. It is a wipe of mask. तो उसके लिए या तो आप towel use कर सकते हो या I have wipes, so I'm going to use wipes. So this removes all types of tan. This is also called the pre-facial prep. So let's get this started. Now आप भी देखो ये skin है और इसके बाद देखते हैं कि क्या फ़र्क है. So you just have to take the cream, which is like this, and apply it. I don't have a mirror, so I'm going to look in the screen. Okay. What I was saying earlier, that I don't go much to parlors. I went in Jan जब मेरे घर पे function था. So I have used very minimum. मैं बहुत पतली लाइन लगाई है. अभी 15 मिनट बाद ये सूख गया है. So I'm going to wipe off and then let's see the difference. So yes, this is my face now. Now this definitely has added a bit glow, if you can see, because D10 ही enough होता है किसी को. मेरे जैसे को तो D10 भी बहुत है. But then we are going to follow all the steps because this is at home and in a very affordable and in the comfort of your house, a good facial. Now they also suggested to massage it deep inside your skin, which I did not do. I forgot. But you can do that, but मुझे तो I think उसकी भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. The face looks really nice. So let's get started with the first step. Now the next part is the glowing gold cleansing scrub. So you know वो parlors में वो लोग एक bowl रखते हैं जिसमें पानी होता है, and you know this is the clean water which I kept specially for my face. So मैं उससे इसको थोड़ा सा पार्ट करके गीला करूँगी because मुझे सिर्फ स्क्रब करना है. So for scrub you just need थोड़ा सा गीला सा skin. So let's get started with part 1. Now I'm going to take this, open the packaging. It is sealed inside. The fragrance is amazing. बहुत अच्छी fragrance है. Nose पे मैं upward stroke भी करूँगी ऐसे. So this scrub really feels amazing. It has walnut, fine particles of walnut. Now walnut is walnut in any type of scrub is my favorite. Very good for blackheads. That is why this step is there, ताकि वो जो blackheads हो, whiteheads हो, वो निकल जाते हैं. So yes, I'm going to wipe off the scrub from my face very gently. And if you have pimples, please do not scrub like I did. Scrub at those areas, your nose, your this area, यहाँ पे है, वहाँ पे scrub मत करना please. So, done with step 1. They say use every 2 weeks, so best results, that is twice a month. Now the second part is called the condition. It is a massage cream which is going to hydrate your skin. So yes, so how do you do this? It's very easy. A cream enriched with essential oils to give your skin a soft, smooth and golden radiance. Okay, now apply the cream in dots all over your moist face. Close your eyes, relax while you massage the cream into your face and neck with gentle upward strokes for 15 minutes. The essential oils in the cream makes your skin smooth and ready for step 3. Yes, for step 3. So this is how the color of the cream is. ये थोड़ी सी creamish color में है. The fragrance is again amazing. You can reuse it, but just make sure that this will suit your skin type. If you are really scared your skin is sensitive, please do a patch test, because that's very important. Okay, so now I am massaging it to my skin and upward strokes like this. Blending it into my skin nicely. खुशबू बहुत अच्छी है, उससे आपको करने में मज़ा भी आता है, उससे आपको क्रीम लगाने में और ये प्रोसीजर फॉलो करने में मज़ा भी आएगा. ये अराउंड 80 रुपीज़ में आपका एक फेशियल हो रहा है. कैन यू इमेजिन? आई ऑलरेडी फील माई स्किन इज़ लुकिंग नाइस. आई मीन अच्छी ही थी, बट मुझे लग रहा है इससे और ग्लो आ रहा है. एंड nice, I'm liking it. Yeah, so okay, 10 to 15 minutes are up. I think we don't have to remove it, you know. Skin has soaked inside this cream. The cream has soaked inside the skin. So we come to the next part, which is step number 3. Now the step number 3 is hydrate. Okay, now comes the hydrate part. वो सिर्फ कंडीशन था, मेरी स्किन अभी सिर्फ कंडीशन हुई है. So how to apply this? Apply dots. Massage the gel gently over the face, neck, and with your fingertips upward motion 2 minutes के लिए ये करना है. Relax your skin, absorb the cool gel and gold sprinkles. Wow, इसमें gold sprinkles भी है. And then get ready for the last step, which is step number 4. How this gel is. Okay, है इसमें gold. देखो, ध्यान से देखो. Now see guys, अभी देखो, golden होने वाला है. Dots all over the face. This is how my skin is looking now. Now this was the transparent golden gel that keeps your skin dewy, fresh, and with soft shine of gold. This has peppermint, जिसकी वजह से वो cooling effect उन्होंने बोला है, थोड़ा cool लगेगा and थोड़ा सा hydrate लगेगी आपकी skin, which is nice. Yes, you can see that. It's nice. So now we have prepped ourselves for the step number 4, which is the final step. Over your last one. So this is the polish, which is the glowing gold pack. Now this is a firming pack that leaves your skin with visible golden glow. Apply the pack in the layer all over your face. Close your eyes and relax for 10 minutes with the peppermint oil in the pack, which will soothe and refresh your skin. So this is how the polish looks like, and this is how ये थोड़ी thick है. See, it's a little thick, more creamy color. So एक ही layer में लगाना है. This is the final step. I'm just wiping my hands with this. Let me show you the time. Time is 21:59, मतलब पूरे 9 बज चुके हैं. 9 को 9:09 में मैं आपको मिलती हूँ. So I'm going to lie down now. So guys, I almost slopped बोलने वाली थी मैं. So see, the time is 10:09. तो टाइम हो गया है. मैं फेस वॉश करके आती हूँ, and then let's see the final glow on my face with nature's essence. Hi. You just have to dab it, okay? मैं भूल जाती हूँ बहुत बारी, and I wipe my face, but you have to just dab. Okay. So guys, अब बताइए हमारा फेस कैसा लग रहा है. I think the face is looking very nice, very bright, and whenever you do facial, whenever you do bleach, वो एक दिन के बाद ज़्यादा उसका पता चलता है. Your face glows, and I already love my face. I think I've really given lot of care to my face with these beautiful and simple steps. I have what do I say? I have pampered my skin, and it's very important that you take care of your skin. Do something for your skin. So yes, you have seen the before and after. The tan one, I really love the tan one. मतलब ये tan cream ऐसी है कि आपके स्किन को इंस्टेंटली उसने ग्लो दे दिया था. मेरी स्किन को इंस्टेंटली ग्लो, बिकॉज मैंने बहुत टाइम से कुछ नहीं करवाया था. सो आई रियली लव दिस वन. This has the power of 5 essential oils now, which is almond oil, which is juniper berry oil. इसमें है एक और है geranium oil, yang oil, peppermint, aloe vera and vitamin E, which is very good for your skin. All these has amazing results for your skin. With Nature's Essence, it has built a very reputative and trustworthy brand name for very good results. So I already feel my skin is looking good. I am very happy with this product. Complete details, more details is there in the description box. Direct link of Amazon is also there in the description box. Do check that out. So easy to use facial kits at home, and you can do these facials in 45 minutes in the comfort of your home, and with amazing good quality products used in this. So yes, that's all in this video. I am very happy with the results. Can't say more, can't say enough about it. But thank you for watching, and you be happy and you be stylish. Bye.